is Angie and her babies. You can see all 5 of them. Angie, the towels are for them to climb over. Look at them playing. What cute little babies. Angie, she's kind of busy cleaning somebody's bum, I think. Okay, Angie. This is our spare box. Gemma has puppies in her other box. So we're improvising, but pretty soon I'm going to put the 2 litters together. And we'll have one big happy family of puppies. What are you doing over there, Thiele? Like I said, the towels are so that they learn to climb over things. That makes their legs strong. Angie? Angie, look at me, sweetie. You see how pretty Angie is, even though you can only see part of her. Look at them playing with each other. Aren't they cute? Angie? Say hello. And they're so pretty babies. You can see they're walking. Cute, cute, cute. Chewing on each other's ears. Okay, my videos are hard to upload, so I'm going to make this short. I'm going to take separate pictures so you can identify them in the photos.